first grade is going to be undivided attention. My coils are in my lead hand, knuckles up, pointing towards the face. My push hand is my left hand, just has the popper in it. I'm going to point off this way. She doesn't know what this means yet. Wait for one step that way and release. And release. Now I'm going to start following that hip until she takes a step forward. Good girl. Good girl. So again, this is her very first concept lesson. So you saw how persistent, but also I was persistent and I was quick to give a big release. If you saw the Respect series with Cody with a finished horse, I asked nicely, gave him a warning and told him, hey,